Hi, my name is Khalid and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to teach everyone how to create a custom logo with a fire effect. Make sure Adobe Photoshop CS3 is open and click on File, New, and I'm going to use a saved preset of width 500 pixels, height 500 pixels, and name this fire, and then click on OK. Now make sure your foreground color is set to black. Then press Alt Delete on your keyboard. Then choose your type tool, and for the font I'm going to be using Army, and the size of the font is going to be 72 points. The edges of the font are going to be sharp. It's going to be aligned to the left, and font color is going to be white. After you have typed out fire, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding down the Control key, press the Shift key. And just drag. Then choose the Move tool. Align your font to the document. Choose the Smudge tool. Go up to Layer and Rasterize Type. And once your font layer is rasterized, just left click and just work at it until you get it to the way you want it. And once you're done with that, you want to go to create a new or adjustment layer, and click on Hue and Saturation. Make sure Colorize is checked. Set the saturation to 100 and the hue to about 15, and click OK. Once you're done with that, press and hold Ctrl T on your keyboard. Make sure your fire layer is selected, then press Ctrl T on your keyboard and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Then use your Move tool, then go up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set it to a radius of 2 pixels, and then Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, and set the angle to 90 degrees and distance of 7. Then go to Filter, Stylize, Wind. Make sure you choose method is wind and direction is from the left. Then press and hold the Ctrl T on your keyboard. Turn it 90 degrees counterclockwise choose your move tool and align it towards the top. Once you're done with that, you could add a gradient effect to this. But before we add the gradient effect, let's duplicate this layer, right click and duplicate layer. And we are going to be working with the fire copy layer. So what we want to do is make sure your cursor, your hand cursor, is over the square pixel box. Hold down the control key and then left click. And as you can see, our fire copy layer is now selected. Then choose the gradient tool and hold the shift key and just drag it up. Then press and hold Control D to deselect. Then choose your fire layer and then just hold the shift key. Make sure you choose the move tool first, then hold the shift key and just drag or actually hold the shift key, press the left arrow key once and then the down arrow key once, and this is what it looks like so far. And then if you wanted to, you could add, instead of this being white, you could right click, go to blending options, choose a gradient overlay and choose a gradient. For now I'm just going to uncheck that and leave it the way it is. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.